RabbitX is a leader in a new generation of decentralized exchanges that are offering perpetuals. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it, what you can do there, and why it's awesome. Currently, it's in the top 3 of the most volume by derivatives on any chain. So it's really already pretty high up. They just have introduced a referral program, so you can use my link down below in the description if you want to start using RabbitX and get additional rewards. And let's get started. Basically, they also have an application that you can download on App Store or Google Play, and they allow you to trade perpetuals with up to 20x leverage. Everything is built on Starknet, so basically the way you interact with the blockchain is on Ethereum mainnet. You just have to deposit the money on Ethereum mainnet, and then you're good to go. Now, there are many markets that are available. They also try to introduce new markets, especially very popular ones. As you will see in a moment, they have super great backing by top investors. For example, Sequoia is here. No front running because they are not owned by market makers, so this is pretty cool. Thousands of orders per second, so super fast. You can trade anytime, anywhere, freely. You just need a MetaMask wallet to log in and start using the platform. 50x faster than the standard exchange, zero gas fees. The only gas fees you pay is on the deposit of the USDT, but this is the only time, and then you trade gasless, and then 20x leverage on most of the assets that you can use. Everything is permissionless, and you get basically what you would get with a centralized exchange, but totally in a decentralized way. And on top of that, there are different incentives, different rewards that you can get for trading. There's also a token, RabbitX token, which is also on the rise currently. Of course, nothing here is financial advice. Everything is only for the purpose of education. So do your own research before jumping to any of that stuff. Now let's get started. With launching the trading and launching the application. This is how RabbitX looks like, the standard thing. So as you can see, the way it looks is very similar to any kind of centralized exchange that you may imagine. You have an order book, you have recent trades of people trading, you can do limit and market orders, and that's basically what you can do. Here, and on top of that, you have stop limit and stop market. Now, interesting stuff is of course that you have multiple interesting markets here. So you, for example, have Pepe, of course, but you have WorldCoin Ton. You have also smaller coins like Rollbit, Ordi, Stargate Finance, SATS, TIA, the recent, for example, GTOM from the airdrop on Solana. So you have that introduced, that was very recent. You have also Blur, Meme, Say, a bunch of other popular coins. Most of the volume is happening, of course, on the top 3 of Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, and then there is the rest. As you can see, the top 3 basically makes for basically like 80% of the $500 million volume. So this is what you get, and it's pretty easy to start the order. So for example, if I would like to long Solana from here, I would just go to the market order, for example, use 25% of what I have currently, and then I could maybe do advanced. Well, maybe not. I'm just going to change here below for market leverage being 20x. It's changing. As you can see, no, I don't need any more confirmation, and maybe I'm even going to do 50% of what I have with 20x. I'm going to buy, confirm, and basically that's it. And that's the longing position that I have below. You can see that. Also, I can add a stop loss if I want to. This is what I do because, well, recommend as well, because you don't want to have your account to be taken down entirely. So for example, I can do a stop loss maybe at 100 or maybe $99 for Solana, and 100% will be taken. So I would lose $18 if that would happen, and I confirm. And basically this is how I added a stop loss for, so when Sol will go below $99, my position will be closed and I will lose a particular amount of money. I could also add in the same way take profit if I want to, of course. So I could add the price that I want to take the profits at. So for example, if Sol takes $120, then I will sell the entire thing. and in this case I would make $100, and this is how I would take profit here. So as you can see, it's super simple, and the stuff is that you really can see everything that you're doing. Now you can also look at your portfolio here if you want to have a look at the portfolio value. Really cool graphs. You have also top gainers. You can have your own watch list on what coins you're watching here. You can see like annualized P&L of what's the position that after you closing, margin requirements, available balance, account leverage of the whole thing. So I'm at 13x currently with this whole position, and then I have also different news, so they are connected to the TIE, and they have a bunch of news from the markets as well, which is pretty cool stuff. So you can see everything what's happening in the crypto markets. So that's really cool. You can also go to the market where you can discover different tokens. You can see the volume. So as you can see, the volume currently is close to $500 million right now. You have open interest. That's important because open interest tells you how much people are actually betting, and you also can search through open interest. So this way you will see where people are paying the most of the money for having their position open. You can also sort by funding rate, and this is important because you want to see where people are longing, where people are shorting. So this is also important for example, if you want to long or short. So there are definitely a bunch of things you can do here, and the entire user interface is pretty easy to understand, super straightforward. I really like it. Very easy to be used, and as I've mentioned, no gas fees, which makes everything super easy to use, and also pretty cheap once you start using the platform. They also have the news. They're trying to have this AI curated news platform where you can see they have news curated for you. I just click on the news here, and they try to have the recommendations once you click on the news. So this is also pretty cool. And more things are coming. So they have just launched really on the mainnet this year. They've been building already on the testnet for quite some time. They launched on this year with the mainnet, and they have a lot of cool stuff on going. So I'm super excited about what they do in 2024, especially that the founder is very vocal on Twitter, writing super interesting threads there. So I would definitely recommend that. They are also very active on Twitter and other social platforms. So if you have any questions or you have any doubts, then you can definitely go there and ask. I'm myself going to use that, probably also do some streams, because that's my plan for 2024. I want to stream definitely more coming into 2024 and show you live what I'm doing and also what I'm looking at. I think it will be interesting, and generally we can do this kind of challenges going from like 10K to 100K and more stuff like that, which is very interesting. For now, if you want to start using RabbitX, please use the referral link down below in the description. This is a win-win scenario. We're both getting off different fees, and we get different bonuses. So definitely recommend using that link. For everything else, of course, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.